Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about China importation business. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to install Zhuanzhuan app on Android phone or iPhone. This particular app right here, if you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to successfully install Zhuanzhuan app into your Android phone or your iPhone without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or pinduoduo or IBPish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So I'm going to access from the app right here, and I'll walk you through step by step from the beginning and see how to successfully download and install Zhuanzhuan app in your Android or iPhone. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Chrome browser right here. Then having opened up your Chrome browser, allow it to load up, then come to search Google right here, and then what you want to do here is to type in Zhuanzhuan. Just hit enter. You can see the spell right here, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on the first result right here. Then it will take you to the official web page of Zhuanzhuan app. Then you can also translate it into English language, just like what you see right here. So Google automatically detects translate. So I go to, so you have it right here. Then now for you to get the app, so what you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on the app from the top, and this is going to pump up right here. You have two options right here. Okay. Now you can either download and install for iPhone or download and install for Android. So in this tutorial, I'm using Android device. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Android right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on download anyway. Now download preset is on the top right here. So what you need to do is to allow everything to download completely. Just like so. So you can see, so it's about 108.35 megabytes. So allow everything to download completely before you go ahead and run the setup. After a successful download, just like what you see right here, simply click on the APK, and you can see the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on install. App was installed, just like so. It's that simple, and it's going to, something like this is going to pump up. Then allow these settings and everything to scan. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on open. Click on OK. Then go ahead and click on here, and the app has been successfully installed on our Android phone. So next thing we want to do is to click on allow. The next thing we want to do is to click on here to continue, then click on here to continue, then click on here to continue. Now we have successfully into the, so click on here to close this pump up, and we have successfully installed Zhuanzhuan app on our Android phone. You can do this same way to install this particular Zhuanzhuan app on your iPhone without any stress. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to ship and import products from China using Zhuanzhuan app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.